Hello everybody, welcome to another YouTube video from Best RV in Turlock, California. My name is Niall, probably everybody see me in all these videos. Today I'm presenting another brand new 26 NoBo travel trailer. It's a unique travel trailers because right now, if you notice in all these videos, the manufacturer is focusing on bringing the outdoor to inside and the inside to the outside. So you're going to see a lot of NoBos coming with the big windows, big outdoor kitchens, big picnic tables in the outside, bars. So you could enjoy the camping and enjoy cooking outside as well enjoying the travel trailers. What is behind me is a brand new 2026 Forest River NoBo 19.0 Beast Mode. All manufacturers, they're gonna give you outdoor grill, or they're gonna give you a hookup for outdoor grill with a table next to it. But the question, did they give you outdoor bar or outdoor picnic table and supported with a nice view window where you could access stuff from inside to the outside? The beauty about this is everything is hidden, so within a couple click you could close it. So that's another advantage for you, is with the couple click, I could close this one and you could see and close the upper one and you could enjoy the tailgate outdoor bar. So perfect bar. They give it to you even on travel trailer, which is, now you remember when you purchase a house, they give you like a nice outdoor counter space with outdoor grilling and a bar. Well, they start giving it to you on our travel trailers, just to show you what the manufacturer going to the extreme. Now, let's talk about the typical features about the 19.0 Beast Mode. Nice gel-coated cap with LED. As you see, the nice orange LED in the top, supported with the diamond plated in the front. This is solid fiberglass cap, so easy. It's more installations, and you could hear the sound. It's thick. Why? Because there's more insulation inside. Nice automotive window in the front. 2 propane tank with the cover, electric tongue jack, 4 stabilizer jack, pass-through storage. And this is indicate to you, and the cameraman, he will show you, it is aluminum frame. They provide you even with this socket, and people laugh and say, what's this socket? Well, this socket, you put it here with a Makita drill, and you make these jack go down quick, so you don't have to crank them by hand. Outdoor kitchen, as you see, it's a 18-inch gas grill, come with the unit, and it's perfect. This is, you could grill here bacons, eggs, carne asada, you name it. You guys better than me in cooking. Outside shower, hot and cold, so in case if you want to rinse your hands when you're doing cooking. Picnic table, so this is the outside bar or picnic tables, or all above. You could put all your booze bottles here, or whatever's, if you're not in drinking, you could put all whatever's sauce, outdoor kitchen materials you want. Supported with a 3-step, a nice off-road tires. I wish the cameraman go to the other side and emphasize how good this curved suspensions, the one with the springs, as well huge shocks. I mean, this will speak for itself. 2 shocks, two shock, 2 springs. No, actually 4 shock on this side, 4 shock on the other side. So more independent. I mean, people, they swear with that. I mean, I never had any complaint from any customers. Here's to prove for you, it comes with a 400-watt solar panel. So there's 200 on the top. And this one, it has the Rug River Editions. So you could see it's more beef up. The trailer sit higher from the ground, enclosed underbelly, so you could take it to the rough areas. Here's your spare tires with a spare tire expandable hookup. And again, you could purchase those one. Backup camera, again, it's a prep, and you could purchase 30 amp cord and 30 amp power cord. I love this light. As soon as I came in, it's lit up. So when you go at night and you want to hook up the gray water tank or the black water tank, you have a light. You don't have to ask the wife, oh, where's my cell phone? Turn my flashlight. Another one here's, you neutralize 2 gray, 1 black, 1 fresh. So this unit has 4 tank, black tank flush, city water connection, water fill, another pass-through storage. I want to emphasize something about this dry weight of this unit, because everybody asks me on the videos why you don't mention the dry weight and the GVW. So the GVW of this unit is 3090. So the dry weight of this unit, I have to read it from the sticker inside. And on the NoBo, they put the sticker on the edge of the door. On the edge of the door. So if we look here on the stickers, you're gonna see the dry weight of this unit, 5,392. So this is a pure half-ton towable trailers. Why half-ton towable? Because 53 dry. Majority of the half-ton SUV and trucks, they will pull 7,500 pounds or 7,500 pounds. So that's perfect for that. So these are the major features and benefit of the NoBo 19.0 Beast Mode. I love this floor plan. It's perfect for couples who would like to go middle of nowhere and enjoy the outdoor and the indoor. As you see, I mean, I don't know what to say. Look how the comfort. You have a nice recliners with a eating table, or you want to say you do your laptop, you drink your morning coffee, you sit, you're watching the news while you're working from your laptop, or you're eating a breakfast. It's amazing. Or you could lay down you and your significant other and enjoy watching a movie. So this unit come with a slide out, and as I see in this slide out, there's a theater seating with 2 eating tables. As well, you have a big closet and big pantry here. But the reason why most people, they like this floor plan is the theater seating facing the TV and facing the big window with the outdoor bar. And so it's perfect for tailgating. So, and these tables, if it's in your way, no problem. They are removable. You could take this table off and on, and you could see how perfect big recliners, perfect for 2 couples. Then also, if you want to sit here, it comes with a nice bar stool and nice view window. And then I could open this window like that, and then I could tell my wife, okay, how's the chicken on the grill? Could you pass me some piece of chicken? And voila. So you could enjoy the nice view outdoor. If you're sitting on the beach, you're sitting on it next to a lake, nice nature outside. Again, I know you're seeing RVs and forklifts here, but imagine the view. Imagine there's a nice scenery over here, and you have nice counter space here, and the wife or you serving the wife some nice lunch, breakfast, dinners, you name it. Also, even assume, like I said, some customers I found out they work from their house. You could bring your laptop here, and there's a USB plug in 110, sit, enjoy working while you're enjoying the nice outdoor outside. So this window giving you tailgating, perfect for tailgating party, enjoying the outdoors, enjoy the view. Also, make it easy if you want somebody inside, somebody outside, and you want to pass things to them. If you worry about the bugs, so you have a nice screen, so you get a fresh air in the morning, keep your trailer fresh, and no bugs coming in. And if you want a privacy at night, voila, you have a full privacy. Now, NoBo, they provide you with 2,000 watt inverter. That's the reason why you see this TV live and you see red light on it. It's a 32-inch smart TV on a swing arm and facing the theater seating and the island, or you want to say counter. They support with a lot of storage. Again, don't forget half of that is the outdoor tailgating bar outside. Now, coming to the kitchens, I mean, they give you everything. They give you the 10.8 cubic foot refrigerator, 12 volt, run of the battery, and again, run of solar, 12 volt, but no worries. You have 400 watt on the roof. They support it with a nice cutting board or sink cover, or you could use it as a backsplash. So sink cover, cutting board, or backsplash when you're cooking back there. And then you have 2 burner range. Nice. Bacon, breakfast, whatever. And then you have 110 plug USB plugs, 2 burner range, big country sink, the place where you rinse the cup. They support you with nice window in the back. So if you open this window, you get a fresh air if you're cooking like bacon or something, smell with spices. A lot of places for cooking pans, dishes, or silverware, and doors for tinsels. And then they support you with the pantry here. So pantry, plenty storage for your kitchen, perfect for the sides. They support you with 2 windows on the side and a window here for more fresh air. Nice air condition. This is the biggest one they come up. And then you have a solid pocket door for full privacy. Nobody could see what's in your bedroom and your bathroom. We're going to pass the bathroom. Going here, we have a nice queen bed with USB plug, 110 in both sides. Storage with plugs, 12 volt. There's a TV hookup right there with the TV bracket right there against the wall. A nice window in the front with the headboard. Finish at the end. Central vacuum. People, they don't believe me. The 19.0 come with a central vacuum, and the central vacuum is right there. And the sweeper. Doors for socks and underwears. And then this is the switch for the inverter. If you want to turn the inverters right here. That's the inverter switch, and then that allow you to get running 12 volt, running 110 off the battery. We support it with a nice pocket door, so if you want somebody to use, if you have a guest and they want to use the bathroom, but you don't want them to see your bedroom, we support it with a nice pocket door. Now, going to the bathroom, you see I have a pocket door here, a nice sink with a place for hair dryers and some makeup, medicine cabinet, linen closets, place for any chemicals, porcelain toilet, room for needs, and we support it with a nice shower, easy to get in with a shower head right here, skylight, and the door. Now, the NoBo, nobody asked me that question. It has extended stay. What does it mean extended stay? It has enclosed underbelly, heated, and it has heat pads run of 12 volt on the tank. So the 2 gray tank, 1 black and 1 fresh, all of them, they had a heat blanket run of 12 volt in case if you go to the extreme cold weather. And then when you're done, you go to your living room, go back to the recliner, recline it, and enjoy the trailers. Come to Best RV and grab this beautiful NoBo 19.0 Beast Mode.